Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
No, I would never post this on YouTube. Are you silly? I don't do that kind of thing. Gosh, girls, who do you think I am? Hello for lava, everyone. Today I'm making a custard fruit pie for my wife. So all we need is a bowl and a whisk. Need a pan to cook it in. Need 3 eggs. I leave these out at room temperature for a while before I do it. It seems to turn out much better. I need a teaspoon of salt, and I need oh, I didn't bring it over. Let's bring it. I need 3/4 cups of sugar. I need some chunky mixed fruit cocktail. The cherry one. We need some vanilla extract. All right, let's get started. Okay, first off, I'll admit I do make other desserts that are home, all from scratch, but this one I cheat on, and I use a frozen pie tin. It works just as well. So basically, while it's still frozen, once when you take it out, you just get a spoon under there, and you lift it, and oh, there we go. And you can put it in this one. Oops, I cracked it a little bit, but that'll be okay. Matter of fact, it won't be okay. Let me get a different one. And there we go. Thank goodness that Mrs. Smith comes with 2 deep dish flaky pie crusts instead of 1. All right, let's get started. So first I'm going to take the eggs and whisk them. So let's crack those. There's 1. Oh, and of course, yeah, I always wash my hands before I start. Got a little shell in that one. That's what happens when you try to be fancy and crack your egg with 1 hand. But sometimes, like then, it worked fine. Okay, 1 more to go. And come on, open up. There we go. All right. That's the first step. Now let's start whisking. We're basically just whisking it till it gets all incorporated and done. Good job. Okay, that's done. Now I'm going to add the teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. There we go. And we're good to go. And whisk some more. All right, let's get the sugar. Oh, almost forgot to mention, we're going to bake it at 400 degrees. Let's get there. Oh, there. Oh, 1 more. That's too much. And we're going to start it. All right. Now let's get the sugar. All right. So I'm adding the sugar. 3/4 cup. I'm going to whisk that till all the sugar is dissolved. Last thing we're going to add is milk. So some recipes for 1 pie would say 2.5 cups of milk, but that is just too liquidy, and so I'm just going to add 2 cups. Let me get the milk. All right, we're adding the milk. Now the reason I don't do 2.5 cups and only do 2, because the fruit cocktail also gives off liquid, and it'll just be too liquidy and take harder, longer time to set, and it just doesn't set right sometimes when you add the fruit cocktail if you put too much milk in there. All right, I'm not going to bore you watching me, but I'm going to keep doing this so I don't feel this, the granulated sugar anymore. Okay, that's done. Let's grab the fruit cocktail and drain them. So this is easy enough to drain. This will not get out all the liquid though. So what I do is once I get I let gravity drain as much liquid as possible from the can. I'm going to take out the fruit and actually place it on a paper towel for a couple minutes to make sure I soak up the rest of it. So basically you're going to get a clean paper towel and just dump your fruit out on top of that. There you go. Lots of peaches and pineapple and some cherries. So you can also take some paper towel and put it over it as well, which I think I'll do that right now. Okay, folded up some new paper towel. I'm just going to lightly push down on that. I want to soak up as much liquid as possible so I don't add excess liquid to my mixture. Okay, while I'm waiting for the stove to reach 400, it's still preheating, I am going to pour in some of the liquid, not all of it. There we go. I'm going to save a little bit there. And the reason why I do that is because sometimes I fill it up so full before I put it into the oven that I wind up spilling some. So next I'm going to add the fruit. And always washing your hands in between. I've washed mine again. And I'm going to put some of the fruit in and just kind of sprinkle it around. No particular order. It's all good, right? There we go. And see, the fruit, adding the fruit also will make the liquid rise as well. Get every little drop. Boop. There we go. Okay, let's just wait for the oven to get done preheating. Okay, the oven has reached 400. So let me gently put this in there. So I'm going to grab out the center rack, pull it out slightly to put the pie on, and then go down carefully so I don't spill it, which I do that all the time. And then move it to the center, and then I'll grab the little bowl and pour in the rest of the liquid. Oh, hopefully not burning. I'm burning the pan a little bit. There we go. Get in there. Okay, and then we're going to push it in there slowly. And I believe it takes about 50 minutes, but I'll let you know when I'm done. And then we'll also see what my wife's reaction is when she has a bite of her beloved Samoan custard fruit pie. In case you think I only make special things for my wife, my kids want some chili dogs. So I'm going to make them some hot dogs with chili. And I usually buy the cheapest, like most people just buy the cheapest hot dogs. But once in a while, I like to splurge. And so I got some Nathan's Colossal quarter-pound beef franks. These things are huge. And my wife says they taste just like the hot dogs from 7-Eleven. Which to her, that's a huge compliment. Eat your chili dog, girl. Eat your chili dog. It's off. I'm just pretending it's on. See? Does it look like it's on? What? Oh, it is on. Oh my gosh, sorry. Is it on? Oh, yes, sir. It's on. Eat my chili dog. Eat your chili dog. Eat it. Take a bite. Take a bite. All your fans across the world, there are little boys in New Zealand watching you.
Thanks a billion for this early stage.
Okay, big boys watching you.
Are you gonna post this on YouTube?
No, I would never post this on YouTube. Are you silly? I don't do that kind of thing. Gosh, girls, who do you think I am?
No, like...
Okay, the custard pie looks done. From this angle, I don't want to get steamed up lens. But I'm going to take it off and let it cool a little bit. Okay, it's done and it's cooled down a little bit. My wife is smelling the custard fruit pie. Hey, stand up for a second. I want to show everyone your shirt. Stand up a little bit. It says University of American Samoa Law School. I got that for Christmas. It's cute. It's from Breaking Bad, the lawyer there, Saul. Also from Better Call Saul. That's his college he said he went to get his law degree. All right, she's gonna try the pie. Let's have a bite. She don't need to slice it. She's just gonna dig right in. Hopefully, it's good, or else you know what happens. Papa gets sasad. It's hot still. Mm-hmm. Maybe you should let it cool down a little bit. Oh, here she goes. Don't burn yourself. Drum roll. We're all waiting in anticipation. Good Lord, just eat it.
Hot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, don't burn yourself. I told you not to eat it yet.
Good. It's hot, that's good.
Hot but good. Yeah, her mom used to make this for all the time. She loves custard pie. And I don't make it very often, maybe 2 times a year. So she's very appreciative. All right. I'm glad you guys could join us and watch my wife eat some custard pie. All right. Love you, sweetie.
Love you, honey.
Love you all. Talofa. To everyone. And Fasefua. Alofa. Atua. To all of you out there, many blessings to you and your families. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.
Bye.